Good morning, everyone. We have come to the day. It is day 20. We are about a third of the way through the 31 baby steps. And what I have to say is today is the day we are doing some laundry. Yeah. Now, am I thrilled? Absolutely. Because I cheated and did laundry on day 7. It's day 20. And technically, laundry hasn't even been mentioned in these 20 days. So I'm glad I cheated, for one thing. And 2, I'm super glad that we're finally doing laundry. So I am gonna read her description on laundry. I do feel that this definitely should have been put way earlier in the baby steps. And I feel like she's even stating that in her description of laundry. So, our house would be clean if we didn't have clothes and papers everywhere. Today, we're going to learn a little bit about laundry. Yes. And of course, there is a link to a laundry page on her website, which I'm not going to. I'm just going to read the rest of today's description after the list of everything you do. Include laundry in your morning and evening routines. This makes getting up and dressed much easier. Yes, it does. Having clean clothes helps you get dressed easier, prevents you from becoming a nudist, and just makes you overall feel better, I would say. Laundry doesn't have to take long to do. When you don't procrastinate, one of the 5 steps: sort, wash, dry, fold, and put away. It only takes a few short minutes. When you include laundry in your routines, everyone is blessed. A load of day keeps Mount Washmore at bay. I liked her little play on words there. So in my opinion, laundry needs to go way into week 1 because I think it is a fundamental habit that needs to be learned. It is, to me, as important as shining the sink, which I also really do like. Today it took me like just a few short minutes to empty the washer, throw in the dirty dishes from breakfast, hand wash my hand washables. I know I can practically hear you applauding me through my camera. But laundry should have been added a long time ago, in my opinion. Way too much testimonials, things like that, where this should have been replaced a long time ago. Am I thrilled that I'm finally getting to do laundry? Yes. Am I very happy I cheated and already did laundry? Oh God, yes. Because even though I am a over planner, I'm the kind of person that goes on a 3-day trip somewhere and will pack over 10 pairs of underpants just to be safe. You don't know what kind of weather it's gonna be or anything. So I'm an over planner. I have a lot of backups in a lot of areas, but I am on my last pair of jeans and I'm just lucky that it's kind of crummy weather and sweatshirt worthy for the day. So I'm in need of, and I wore my last pair of PJs last night. So the timing could not be better for me to throw the laundry in the wash. I'm thrilled. I cannot wait. And the fact that she says doing a laundry a day, but yet waited 20 days to introduce it to the baby steps. I think I'm reading a lot of your guys' comments. They are so insightful. I think no matter where you are in the world of cleaning your home, where you started, where you ended, putting off laundry this long in the baby steps, this is one of those things on my priority list that should have just been added a long time ago. Anyway, I'm not gonna dwell on it. I am gonna go and put in some laundry. Yeah. I'm gonna go do some laundry. I'm gonna add more decluttering. Again, my favorite part of the day, the thing that I am loving most about the 31 days, decluttering. And I think I'm taking so much out of that I am, my decluttering is outweighing anything that could hold me back from the 20 days of no laundry. So let's get going, get the day started. I'm showered, I did my hair, I did my makeup. I'm gonna go put on shoes. Let's go. Oh, and I shined my sink. Let's do this.